Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and have you ever wanted to, or have you ever made a quilt with just one shape? Now there are many shapes that will take only one shape to build a block. We can get squares, triangles, rectangles, and we can get a tumbler block, which is often known as the thimble block. Now, I have made an entire quilt out of just that one shape, and it was a lot of fun to do. Now, I put some of my colors together, so it sort of turned into a bow tie, but there are a lot of different options of making a quilt with one shape. Now, there is a book all about tumbler blocks, and you will be amazed at how many different variations you can get out of that just one shape. So this shape is a tumbler shape. It's like a drinking glass, a tumbler. It also is known as a thimble block. So entire quilts can be made with just this one shape. And Valerie has made a book all about just that thing. So the book, of course, has lots of quilts with that one design. This looks like it's more than one, but it's still that same shape repeated over and over. It's just the color placement. So it is this one shape that can make these blocks. And here's a glance of what is in here and what can become of these. We can have a two-tone scrappy one, ones that are very planned together, ones that can definitely play a trick to the eye. They make some nice wall hangings. And if you like your black and white, this is a nice layout. So the book does go into color options on how this is going to go together for you. And it does show us some great examples of those colors working together. We have bold and modern, and of course, they do have a lot of hints on how to put those together. So each one of these quilts is put together in rows. So it does cover how to do that. Of course, we have some finishing directions and some fun quilting ideas, some long tumbler blocks, and some striped fabric blocks. It does cover all about how to cut the fabric so we are efficient in using up our fabric pieces, some inspiration, and of course it does give us templates for those blocks. So these are all tumbler blocks. They're just different sizes. So it's a fun book to read and get inspired with that one simple block. They are a lot of fun to make, and there are so many different ways that you can do them. Color, layout, shades will all make the difference. I'll put some links in the description if you'd like to check it out. And as always, thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a so-tacular day. Bye for now.